I started out here as a loop tech at first, worked there for a few months, and due to some physical ailments I couldn't really keep up anymore, so there was a job opening in the parts department and I bounced on that and been there ever since. I went to NADC from February of 2022 to March of 2023. I loved going there. I took night classes, so classes were much smaller than day classes. Everything was very individualized. It was great. You could almost get one-on-one work with the instructor. Plenty of hands-on time, plenty of resources to work with as well. Overall did great for me coming in here, helping me land a job. It really helped me get prepared for the automotive industry, just getting more hands-on experience, helping me with recommendations, and overall just figuring out what I wanted to do here at the automotive place. With all the resources there, say like the MCAB program, ASE testing, NAPA's technician program, it was a great choice for me.